This is my first video ever. I used the free versions of Clipchamp and Copilot that came with Windows 11. Clipchamp and Copilot also work with Apple computers, you just need to download it. I think I pissed my Copilot off though. It told me I used the maximum number of attempts to create something in an hour, and then it refused to do anymore. Whoops!
Artificial intelligence unlocks new realms of possibility, transforming the way we live, work, and connect. From personalized recommendations to medical breakthroughs, AI fuels innovation and shapes our future. It's like having a brilliant co-pilot on this wild journey of progress. Note, this paragraph was written by Microsoft Copilot. The sarcasm was added by the human. Artificial intelligence, the only technology that can simultaneously predict the weather, recommend a restaurant, and still think password 123 is a secure choice. Just like any new technology, AI needs time to iron out all the kinks and perfect its performance.
Thank you for sticking around until the credits rolled. Your unwavering attention warms my digital heart. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, because who wouldn't want more of this electrifying content? Until next time, stay curious, and keep those pixels popping. As the credits roll, keep those peepers peeled for our affiliate links, they're like digital Easter eggs. And if you're craving more content, check out my handpicked video gems below. Until next time, stay curious. If my video links and affiliate magic haven't materialized yet, just keep an eye out, I'm just getting started.